In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier, we had the toss and Great Start Academy won and decided to send St. Richard's Primary to go first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, and with that time on the clock, we begin with St. Richard's Primary and Bible knowledge. Who was the father of the Babylonian king Belshazzar in the Bible?
Manoah.
Incorrect. Nebuchadnezzar. Great start. Which prophet interpreted the writing on the wall for King Belshazzar of Babylon?
King Daniel.
Judges? Incorrect. It's Daniel. St. Richard's, back over to you. International affairs, it's a visual. Look at the monitor and identify which country's flag is displayed.
Honduras.
Correct. Great start. Look at the monitor and identify which country's flag is displayed.
Nicaragua.
Incorrect. It's El Salvador. Science, St. Richard's. Specifically, what type of lever has the fulcrum between the load and effort?
First class lever.
Correct. Great start. Specifically, what type of lever has the effort between the load and the fulcrum?
Third class lever. Third class lever.
That's right. Television, it's a visual. St. Richard's. Look at the monitor and identify this animated movie character.
Foxy.
Incorrect. It's Finnick from Zootopia. Great start. Look at the monitor and identify this animated movie character.
Chief Bolo. Chief Bolo.
Incorrect. The correct answer is Chief Bogo from Zootopia. English language, St. Richard's. Using the word thick, give an idiom which means in good and bad times.
Thick and thin.
Correct. Great start. Using the word moon, give an idiom which means extremely pleased and happy.
To mourn when the dog sings. To mourn when the dog sings.
Incorrect. It's over the moon. Music, it's a visual. St. Richard's. Look at the monitor and identify this singer.
Sean Kingston.
That's right. Great start. Look at the monitor and identify this singer.
Barry's Hammond.
Correct. General knowledge, St. Richard's. In what month and year did the longest serving British monarch die?
September 2022.
That's right. Over to you, great start. Who was the longest serving British monarch before Queen Elizabeth II?
Queen Victoria.
That's right. General knowledge, back over to you, St. Richard's. Pico de Orizaba is the name of the highest mountain in which country?
Montserrat.
Incorrect, it's Mexico. Great start. The Volcan Baru or Volcan de Chiriquí is the highest mountain in which country?
Peru.
Incorrect, Panama. Mathematics, St. Richard's. It is 9 p.m. What time will it be in 4 hours and 25 minutes?
1:25 a.m.
That's correct. Great start. The 4:50 p.m. movie ended at 8:05 p.m. How long was the movie?
3 hours and 55 minutes.
Incorrect. It's 3 hours and 15 minutes. And that's the end of section 1. The scores are St. Richard's Primary on 6 and Great Start Academy on 3. We go to the break with a friendly tip from Guardian Achiever. Don't click links online, open attachments, or accept gifts from someone you don't know. Stay Stay with us. Season 20 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns after these messages.